Saudi Arabia is having an intense heat wave. The shop owner Rayan sees the stray cat pawing at the door begging to get out of the heat. He lets her in and she collapses on the cool tile floor and he is smitten. Pet health is a concern for Rayan and he wants to help. The next day he finds her again patiently waiting for him to arrive and gives her water and food. He welcomes her into his store. He asks her about the heat each day and tells her she is always welcome to stay inside as long as she wants. Now that she is hydrated, her fur looks great because she can properly clean herself.